So guys, today I just wanted to share with you really quick, in case you guys already didn't know, how to jumpstart this car if you're ever in the need to do so. Since you know the battery is not in the engine compartment here, it's in the trunk. Some people thought you had to go access the trunk to get to the battery to jumpstart it, but you actually don't. Acura made it really easy to do in the engine compartment here, just like it would have been if the battery was here. So if you can see right here, under this cover, you flip this up, and there you have the positive terminal post that you'd attach the connector to jump it. And they also went ahead, you connect it there, okay? And then they also went ahead and put the negative on here, so you don't have to go search around for it. Okay, so let me show you that. It's right over here. It's on this fender. If you see that screw or the bolt cover here, that's for the negative, the ground. Okay, it even tells you on there. But pretty easy. It's definitely good to know if you're ever in the need to do it and you didn't know, you have to go hunting around in the trunk, try to access the battery and all that. Utilize these two mounting points here and you're good to go to jump it. Either you jump it with a car or a battery pack, whatever you need to do, just like it would be if the battery's here. So that's pretty neat. You don't have to mess around with the battery in the trunk, because that can be hard depending on how you're parked. This is just like normal. So I didn't know that when I bought this car. So that was interesting. Hopefully I don't need it, but it's good to know just in case. Made it very accessible here in the front. Okay, guys? So hope that maybe helps you out. If you're ever in the need to do so, just make sure to keep that closed, keep it clean so you don't get any condensation or anything underneath there. It's a good idea to actually wipe it out once in a while, depending if you drive a lot, just to keep it clean so it doesn't corrode, nothing like that. Very basic stuff. Okay? Hope everyone's doing good out there, being safe. I appreciate all the support, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.